Shapes are all around us, but did you know there are two main types of shapes? Today, we will explore the difference between 2D and 3D shapes. Let's start with 2D shapes. These shapes are flat and have two dimensions, length and width. 2D shapes are often seen in art, design, and math. They can be found on paper, screens, and even in nature. Now, let's move on to 3D shapes. These shapes have three dimensions: length, width, and height. 3D shapes have depth and volume, making them appear more realistic and tangible. They are commonly used in architecture, sculptures, and 3D modeling. In the world of geometry, there are some basic shapes we need to know. Let's take a look at these shapes and learn their names. The first shape we have is a circle. It is a perfectly round shape with no corners or edges. Next, we have the square. It has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. Moving on, we have the triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 angles. Then, we have the rectangle. It has 4 sides with opposite sides being equal in length and 4 right angles. Up next, we have the oval. It is similar to a circle but elongated in shape. Here we have a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides, 4 angles, and 4 vertices. We'll learn about sides, angles, and vertices later. Here we have a perfect pentagon. A pentagon is a polygon with 5 sides, 5 angles, and 5 vertices. Regular pentagons have all sides and angles equal in measure, while irregular pentagons have sides and angles of varying lengths and measures. Lastly, we have a hexagon. A hexagon is a polygon with 6 sides, 6 angles, and 6 vertices. Regular hexagons have all sides and angles equal in measure, while irregular hexagons have sides and angles of varying lengths and measures. Can you think of places where you have seen these shapes? I'll give you some examples, and you guess what the shape is. It's okay if you need to pause or go back in the video to determine the shape. What shape do you see here? Let's count those sides. I count 6 sides. Which shape did we learn today has 6 sides? That's right. It's a hexagon. What shape do you see here? I see a couple of different shapes here. Let's disassemble the traffic light to see the different shapes. What do we have here? Is it a rectangle or a quadrilateral? Whoa! It's both. Golly! Those are circles. Can you see how different shapes come together to form other objects? How about here? Let's count those sides. You've got it. There are 5 sides. Which shape did we discuss today that has 5 sides? Oh boy! You're a smart cookie. It is a pentagon. What shape do you see here? Let's count those sides. Terrific! 3 sides. The shape with only 3 sides is a triangle. You are so smart. Today, we learned some of the basic shapes that are commonly used in geometry. By knowing their names and properties, we can better understand the world around us. Next time you see a shape, remember its name and appreciate its unique characteristics. Shapes are all around us, waiting to be recognized.